Hello guys. So today I'll be explaining you how you can do client management in AWM Biomedical. So AWM Biomedical is a portal provided by Aasaan which can be used in your medical waste management or biomedical waste management easily. It has all the features related to that. Right from creating a client, making a route for it, managing your vehicles to go on the route, coming back, taking the waste collection, and then billing to the client. So, all and all, it's a complete ERP which manages your AWM biomedical, your biomedical waste management operations end to end. Here today, I'm going to explain you basically how you can manage your clients. So, if you look at the left of the menu, here you can go to the client section, click on clients, and you will be looking at this screen. Here you need to go to this add new button, click add new, and this has all the features which are generally required in terms of the biomedical waste management. As you can see over here, basic details, put your business name, give the alias name. So alias name is generally the name which is printed on the bills. You can select the plant. So by plant we mean your where your incineration happens, or basically the waste collection uh, that happens over there. So this is the plant. You can have different plants. Client group, so you can have different groups. If, for example, if you have a client, let's say Lal Path Lab, right, or something like that, which have different branches. So what you can do, you can create a group and put all those under a particular group. Client type, so we have different client types. You can create your own client type as well. For example, dispensary, pediatric client, sonography, and all those things, as you can see. So this client type can be created by you. You can select your executive. This executive is the person who actually is responsible to manage that particular client. The contact person over there, their secondary name, contact person phone number, what type of text is applicable to them, that you can decide from here. If you want to use an alternate email, this email will be printed on bills, and also the bills that will be generated, that will be sent on to this email. So is it a government client or not? Show weight on bills, if you want to show your weight on the bills or not. Is arrear applied, that you can use. For example, if you have pending bills from previous month, then you want to add those amount to the current billing, that you can decide what name you want to print on that, if you want to print alias name on the bill or the main name. So all those things are there. Then there's GSTN number, who is the parent client over there. So these are basic details. Then you come on to secondary details, where you put the executive name, discontinue date, contact person again. So these are different people secondary details, as I told you. So HCF phone, their telephone number, email, doctor's personal emails, and all you can put. Here you put the address of the client. Then comes the billing plan, most important part. Here first you select where to send bills. So basically in our system the bills will be generated automatically, which will be sent to their email, WhatsApp, SMS, whatever way you want on the go. So here you need to select where you want to send the group. Again, if I take example of Lal Path Lab, then let's say Lal Path Lab has the head office and it has branches all over India. In your particular state, if I take example, right, then what happens is, where you want to send the bill, uh, or the invoice, right, you want to send it to the main office, you want to send it to the separate branches altogether, or you want to send it both. That's what you need to select over here. Here's the billing type. So you can have a fixed amount billing, you can have a per bed billing, fixed bed billing, and the per kg. Weight wise, we have different multiple billing types over here that you can select. How your billing period goes, is it monthly, quarterly, yearly, or maybe per pickup? Generally it's monthly, but if in your case it's quarterly, yearly, or per pickup, you can easily manage. And this is the total number of beds. This makes sense when your billing happens on the number of beds. And comes the agreement information. This is important part in biomedical waste management. So you put a file number. This is something, the physical copy that you keep with. Otherwise you can have the agreement start date, agreement end date, what is the initial service start date, how much annual charge, increment. So if you have a standard increment that happens over on the yearly basis, you can put over here current service start date, current service end date. So initial service start is the basically when you actually for the first time you started services, and this will keep changing on year on year basis. How do you collect payment? Is it cash, check, NEFT, net banking? What type of concern is it? How much the registration fees you have charged, security deposit, advance deposit? And these are the few I mean basically process when your customer care team or your sales team is working with those clients. So for example, if you have sent the document to them or the document has been approved from them, after have you received that, what is the execution date, and all that thing you can overdo over here. Yearly changes, so you can select what the yearly, for example there is a certain amount of changes that happens over on the yearly basis. Then you can select, is it up on percentage basis or amount basis, right? So accordingly this will happens on all the clients which comes under the yearly plan. So you need not to do go and change every client. This can be done all together. So now once you put all those information, I'll just show you one of the client for example. So this is first time you need to do. And what happens, what kind of information you can get from here, that I can show you. For example, this is the first client that you can see, right? So here what you can do, if you see over here, there are lots of documents. I mean, this the compliance management is very important over here. So as you can see, you can download the new agreement. This will be as per your uh, like format of the agreement will be there. You can renew it over here, generate new certificate number, download certificate. You can make the changes to the address any point of time. You can get the annual report in Excel, PDF, annual report category wise. So all these reports comes under compliance management that you need to submit to the government. That's what it is required. If you want to see their ledger, you can do it from here. What is the current outstanding, how much the collection that has happened last month, what kind of client is it. You can download the custom dated agreement, download the waste collection on the monthly basis for which month you want it, category wise you can do it. So download you can download the ledger from here, view security, advance security. So lot many details. I mean, once you come onto detail page, whatever you want to do in terms of compliance management for that particular client, whatever the information you need, you want to send to them, receive them, so it's all captured over here. Now how the waste collection comes, how the route management is done, how the billing is done, that I'll be covering in a separate video. So I hope you like the video of this. And moreover, like if you feel that I mean when you are onboarded with us, you want certain changes, it's a completely customizable configurable system which can be done for you. Thank you guys.